Imagine a rain that could buy a small country. Now imagine it falling upward, sideways in winds fast enough to strip flesh from bone. This is not fantasy. This is a real place. This is HD 189733b. From 2,500 light-years away, this world looks almost inviting. Astronomers even nicknamed it the Blue Planet, a cruel echo of home. But the blue is not ocean, it is glass, silicate particles suspended in a scorched atmosphere, scattering starlight the exact way our sky scatters blue, except here that same light comes with a death sentence. The winds on HD 189733b move at roughly 5,400 miles per hour, 7 times the speed of sound. On Earth, a Category 5 hurricane tops out near 157 miles per hour. This is not a storm. This is an atmosphere in a constant state of detonation, circling a planet locked so close to its star that one side never sees darkness and the other never sees light. That permanent day side bakes at nearly 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to vaporize glass into vapor, then hurl it across the terminator into the night, where it condenses, cools, and falls. Not as rain, as shrapnel. Molten glass shattered into shards, driven horizontally by supersonic wind. An umbrella would not save you, nothing would. Now travel further out to worlds like 55 Cancri E, a planet some scientists once called a genuine diamond world. Here, the story shifts from glass to carbon. Under crushing pressure deep within these carbon-saturated interiors, carbon can theoretically be squeezed into crystalline lattices. Diamond not as jewelry, but as geology, as bedrock, as the very floor a hypothetical explorer might stand on, if standing were survivable at all. It does not stop with exoplanets light years away. Researchers have proposed that Jupiter and Saturn may host actual diamond rain, sinking through compressed hydrogen and helium, formed when lightning turns methane into soot, and soot into diamond under crushing pressure. Diamonds fall for hundreds of miles, gathering into a slushy diamond ocean deep in the planetary core. Here is the question worth sitting with. If beauty on this scale exists purely by the indifferent mathematics of pressure and heat, with no eye ever meant to see it, does it remain beautiful? Or is beauty something only consciousness can grant? Tell me in the comments, is the universe beautiful without a witness? Now here is the twist that reframes everything. For years, the glass rain of HD 189733b was treated as a settled fact, repeated across headlines and documentaries. But newer atmospheric modeling, pulling from more precise transit spectroscopy, suggests the picture may be incomplete. Some analyses hint that iron particulates, not silicate glass alone, could dominate parts of the upper atmosphere, meaning the true storm may be part glass, part vaporized metal, howling together in the dark. We built our mental image of an alien world from limited data, and reality, once again, refused to be simple. This is the deeper unease at the heart of exoplanet science. We are not seeing these worlds, we are inferring them. From a dip in starlight, a shift in wavelength, a whisper of chemistry buried in noise. Every diamond, every glass shard, every screaming wind is a reconstruction, a best guess stitched together by minds 39 trillion miles removed from the truth. And still, we call it discovery. Somewhere out there, glass is falling sideways tonight. Diamonds are sinking through gas giants 1 carat at a time toward cores no probe will ever reach. And light from a star 700 years dead is only now revealing what its planet was doing the night it left. We spend our lives measuring beauty against usefulness, but the cosmos keeps manufacturing wonders it will never need anyone to admire. Maybe that is the most extreme thing of all, not the wind, not the diamonds, but the sheer, uncaring scale of a universe that creates masterpieces in the dark for no one.